The ancients referred to the first peoples as being celestially androgynous in nature. We're not talking about a hermaphrodite. That's a more physical nature. To be a celestial androgyny, one is complete in both the masculine and feminine principle. The higher you are in vibrational frequency, the less there is a separation, the illusion of separation. The first ones on this planet, were complete in the masculine and feminine components, in nature, in spirit, in the mental plane, in the heart, in every way that you can imagine. So the closer that you are to a celestial androgyny, the closer you are to perfection, the paradigm of no need for anything else outside of yourself. That's being one. As you go down, two is formed. Completion is one, it's whole. As we go down, there's more denominations. As we go down in vibrational frequency, it starts to become more for and against. There starts to become more duality. The more opposing forces start to come out of nothingness. The art of detachment, because we are all one. There is no separation. The more you are like the celestial androgynous ones, the more that you are complete in the masculine and feminine components of one's body. You have creation, which is a feminine thing. And then you've got the running of that feminine component, which is masculine. The discipline to keep on that creation, that's masculine. Love thyself. Love yourself. My people, have a lovely day.